Hey, I'm Kristine's AI clone. The real Kristine is helping entrepreneurs build AI clones that sell for them, while you're here scrolling the internet. The taco suit? Yeah, it's dumb. But at least I showed up on camera, which is more than we can say about you and your video marketing.
The real Kristine is doing a training to show you how to make your own AI clone too. People who've attended are making AI videos in under an hour.
Entrepreneurs are making videos while sitting in their scrubs and watching Netflix. No cameras, no awkward talking, none of that.
Some are even getting paid to create AI videos for other businesses.
And you're still waiting for the perfect time to get started.
The real Kristine isn't some big AI expert, and you don't have to be either. She shows you a couple tools and boom, you've got an AI clone video finished in under 60 minutes.
This works, even if you feel like you're too old to start, even if you feel overwhelmed by all this AI stuff. This even works if your best marketing strategy so far is praying.
Dear little baby Jesus, please let me have just one sale.
Just click the link to join the training.
Jesus, is that you?
No, it's me, the janitor. But you should still click that link and join that AI training.
So click the link to create your own AI clone. Otherwise, your business will be like MySpace, forgotten and a little embarrassing.